Hi, welcome to Brainy Bus. This is Premada and we are going through the jQuery tutorials. So far we have seen some of the selectors and some of the class methods. So now we'll see some traversing. We have seen the echo element method, filter method, find, first, last, not, and some of the siblings method. So let's see some descendants and ancestors. I have created a file ancestors.html and I have placed a button ancestor demo with the button ID 1, and here I have placed a div tag with width and height as 300 pixels and a span with ID span 1 and a paragraph. In that we have a bold tag. So ancestors and descendants, basically if you want to fetch the parent element of a particular element or the children element of the particular element, you can do that using some of the methods. So let's see. First we'll see how to fetch the childrens of particular elements. So let's see. I have already created a CSS file with the border is solid and the color is red. So let's I want the paragraph of the border of the paragraph as red and solid. So what I'll check is span with the So it's like what I did, the children of the span element should have the border class. So when I save it and if I run this method, so I can see this particular HTML page. So it's like I have written so that we can see that okay, this is the starting of the div element, this is the starting of the body tag. So your div element ends here like this. So now if I clicked on the button, the paragraph will have the border as red. So now we can see the parents. Supposingly here only I can see that the parent of the span is div. So when you save it, refresh it and click on the ancestors demo, you can see that div element, the border of the div element is red now. That means it is the parent of the span element. Sometimes we also want the parents, like all of the parents should have the border class. So if I click, refresh it, so you can see the div tag, this is the body tag, and after the body tag you have the HTML tag also. So the outermost is your HTML tag, after that you have the body tag, and then you have the div tag over here. But supposingly I only want till the body element, so I can write as until, and in this I can give as body tag over here. So if I refresh it, I can see that the border is not till the body element. It's like I can see that because it will not access the body element. Before that it will stop. So if I then it will this span and the div tag, or I can also take as the span, and after that I can write the HTML over here. Refresh it and you can see that the outermost border is gone because we want to fetch until HTML. That means before the HTML only we want to fetch the elements. Like this you can see the descendants and ancestors, like children, parents and parents until. So this way you can fetch the children and parent of the particular element, HTML element. So thanks and have a nice day.